Imagine being forced to choose between your national security and your energy supply. This is the strategic stranglehold Russia maintains through long-term nuclear contracts and isotopes that no Western competitor can replicate. We are exploring the unbreakable dependency that makes Russia the undisputed, and perhaps untouchable, king of global nuclear fuel. While global headlines focus entirely on oil sanctions and gas pipelines, the real monopoly is happening quietly inside the world's most advanced nuclear reactors. Europe and America are caught in a massive paradox. They are desperate to isolate Moscow politically, yet they are still cutting billion-dollar checks for Russian nuclear expertise. How did Russia build this absolute nuclear ultimatum, and why is the world completely powerless to stop it? Let's dive in. To understand why the West is completely trapped, we have to look at a highly classified technical moat known as HALEU fuel. HALEU stands for high-assay low-enriched uranium. This is not the ordinary fuel used in old nuclear plants. This specialized fuel is absolutely mandatory for the next generation of nuclear technology, known as small modular reactors, or SMRs. These advanced mini-reactors are supposed to power the future of clean energy across the globe. But there is a massive problem. Russia's state-owned giant, Rosatom, is currently the only commercial-scale producer of HALEU fuel in the entire world. The West wants to build futuristic reactors to escape fossil fuels, but they cannot even turn them on without buying the core fuel directly from Moscow. The technical and financial barriers to replicating Russian centrifuge efficiency are so massive that Western competitors are lagging years behind. But Russia's monopoly goes far deeper than just technical superiority. It operates through a massive geopolitical strategy called the Rosatom diplomatic flywheel. Unlike Western nuclear companies that only sell parts or engineering services, Russia offers a complete, unmatchable package called nuclear as a service. When Rosatom signs a deal with an emerging economy in Asia or Africa, they don't just build the plant. They completely finance the multi-billion-dollar project, train the local scientists, supply the uranium, and strategically bundle a spent fuel take-back program. This means Russia takes care of the dangerous radioactive waste, a massive relief for developing countries. This absolute bundling creates an unbreakable 60-year geopolitical dependency. By building these reactors, Moscow ensures that these countries are structurally tied to Russian technology, fuel rods, and maintenance for generations. Look at recent reactor deals across Asia and Africa. Despite aggressive international sanctions, countries are lining up to sign contracts with Rosatom. Why? Because Western firms simply cannot match this all-inclusive financial and strategic package. It is nuclear diplomacy at its finest, turning clean energy into a permanent geopolitical anchor